the first step to approach this question is you must figure out what sides you are given. So in this case, you have this as AB as 5 centimeters, then AC as 7 centimeters, then BC is 6 centimeters. So second thing to do is you have to do a sketch. Okay, so a sketch of this triangle. So you have A, B, say C down here. So AC is 7 centimeters, BC is 6 centimeters, then AB is 5 centimeters. So now we have something like this. Third step down here, we are going to draw one of the sides. Okay. So I will follow this triangle, then I'm going to measure a side 7 centimeters. So 7 centimeters will be AC. So we start from 0 and then we go to 7. This gives me AC. Now we will take the compass and going to draw AB. AB is 5 centimeters. So over here, I would measure 5 centimeters. Okay, so 5 centimeters. After I have that, I will put this here, and then I will use the other end to make a mark 5 centimeters. Okay. Then after that, I want to draw BC. So to the ruler, I will measure 6 centimeters. So I put this over here XE, and then I will make a mark down here and make sure this arc will cut through the other arc we drew just now. Then finally, with this point, I will join to A, and then I will join to C. So the point on top will be our point B. So this part will be 5 centimeters. This part will be 6 centimeters. So then we will have this triangle constructed. Okay, these steps are made when all 3 sides of a triangle are given.